You're probably watching your competitors serve customers at 2 a.m. while your business is completely dark, and you might even be wondering if there's actually a way to compete without hiring a night shift. Well, I spent months researching how American businesses are using AI automation, diving deep into case studies from companies that doubled their revenue without adding a single employee. Here's what I found that surprised me. It's not about replacing humans. It's about creating a business that literally never sleeps, and the results are absolutely mind-blowing. Welcome back to bitbiased.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how AI automation is transforming American businesses from coast to coast, giving you the real strategies that are working right now in 2025. We'll explore the specific tools and techniques that are helping companies provide 24/7 customer service / operational costs and create personalized experiences that turn browsers into buyers. The first game changer we need to talk about is something most US consumers now demand from every business they interact with, and if you're not providing it, you're already behind. The customer expectation revolution. Here's the reality that's keeping business owners up at night. Your customers don't care that it's Sunday at midnight. They don't care that your team went home hours ago. When they have a question, they want an answer now. And here's where it gets interesting. Modern consumers now expect businesses to offer round-the-clock support. That's not a nice-to-have anymore. That's table stakes in today's economy. But wait until you see this. Companies using AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are capturing sales opportunities that would have been lost forever. Imagine a customer browsing your website at 3 a.m., ready to make a purchase but with just one quick question. In the old world, that question waits until morning, the moment passes, and they buy from your competitor instead. With AI automation, that question gets answered instantly. The sale happens on the spot, and your business literally makes money while you sleep. Recent studies reveal something fascinating. The majority of companies are already using AI to improve customer experience. These aren't just the tech giants. We're talking about local retailers, service businesses, and companies you interact with every single day. They've figured out what I'm about to show you. AI isn't just technology, it's your competitive advantage. The revenue multiplication effect. Now, this next part will surprise you because it challenges everything we thought we knew about business growth. Traditional thinking says more revenue requires more people, bigger offices, longer hours. But AI automation has flipped this script entirely, and the numbers prove it. Let me paint a picture for you. Traditional businesses often find themselves drowning in routine processing work. Every transaction means hours of manual data entry, verification, and filing. They reach a breaking point, either hire more staff or turn away business. But smart companies are discovering they can implement AI-powered automation instead. The result? They can double their revenue without hiring additional employees. This isn't some Silicon Valley unicorn story. This is the new reality for regular American businesses that let AI handle the repetitive work, while humans focus on building relationships and closing deals. But here's where it gets even more interesting. AI recommendation systems, the ones that somehow know exactly what you want before you do, are generating massive revenue streams. Major platforms earn billions just from AI understanding what customers want and serving it up at exactly the right moment. And this isn't limited to massive corporations. Small e-commerce businesses using AI for personalized product recommendations are seeing their average order values jump significantly. Recent reports show that automated upselling can increase sales substantially for e-commerce companies. Think about that. Significant revenue increases from the same traffic, the same products, just by letting AI suggest the right item at the right time. The pattern is clear. Businesses that embrace AI automation aren't just saving costs. They're discovering entirely new revenue streams they never knew existed. The efficiency revolution. Here's what most people get wrong about AI in business. They think it's all about customer service chatbots. But wait until you see what's happening behind the scenes. The real magic happens when AI takes over the soul-crushing, repetitive tasks that eat up your team's time and energy. Picture this. Your accounting team spends hours every week processing invoices, reading them, extracting key information, entering data into systems, checking for errors. It's mind-numbing work that requires precision, but not creativity. Now imagine AI scanning those invoices with perfect accuracy, extracting every detail, and updating your systems instantly. Your accounting team is suddenly free to analyze trends, provide strategic insights, and actually add value to your business instead of being glorified data entry clerks. This is happening right now in professional offices across America. AI document processing systems are dramatically improving efficiency in firms handling complex documentation. These aren't simple documents. We're talking about detailed business contracts that AI can now review, analyze, and flag potential issues faster than teams of specialists. But here's the part that really blew my mind. Predictive maintenance powered by AI. Manufacturing companies are using AI to predict exactly when equipment will fail before it actually happens. No more surprise breakdowns that halt production for days. No more scheduling maintenance too early and wasting resources, or too late and dealing with costly repairs. AI analyzes vibration patterns, temperature fluctuations, and usage data to predict the perfect maintenance window. The result? Uninterrupted production and dramatically reduced downtime costs. Studies show that automation can significantly cut customer service costs for U.S. small businesses while actually improving satisfaction scores. How is that possible? Because AI handles the routine questions instantly, freeing human agents to focus on complex problems where empathy and creativity actually matter. The personalization goldmine. Now here's where AI automation gets really exciting, because this is where the money is made. Every business owner knows that personalization drives sales, but most think it's impossible to scale. How do you create personal experiences for thousands of customers without thousands of employees? The answer is AI that thinks like your best salesperson, but works 24/7 without breaks. AI systems analyze customer behavior, purchase history, browsing patterns, and dozens of other data points to create hyper-personalized experiences for every single visitor. Let me show you how this works in practice. When someone visits an e-commerce site, AI instantly knows they're a first-time visitor from California who's been looking at outdoor gear on multiple sites this week. The AI tailors the homepage to show hiking boots and camping equipment, adjusts the messaging to speak to adventure seekers, and might even trigger a personalized discount for items they viewed on other sites. This all happens in milliseconds, creating an experience that feels custom-built for that specific person. Marketing teams are using AI to send emails that arrive at the exact moment a customer is most likely to open them, with product recommendations based on their individual preferences. Sales teams use AI-powered lead scoring to identify which prospects are ready to buy right now versus those who need more nurturing. The result is marketing that feels helpful instead of pushy, and sales conversations that happen at exactly the right moment. But here's the twist that changes everything. AI doesn't just personalize the customer's experience, it personalizes the timing. It knows that Sarah checks her email during her Tuesday morning coffee, that Mike browses for business tools on Sunday afternoons, and that Jennifer makes purchasing decisions on Thursday evenings. This level of precision turns marketing from spray and pray into surgical strikes that consistently hit their target. The strategic implementation playbook. Now here's where most businesses get it wrong, and I don't want you to make these expensive mistakes. They try to automate everything at once or implement AI without proper planning. Let me show you the right way to do this. The smartest companies start small and scale up strategically. They identify one or two high-volume, repetitive processes that are eating up their team's time. Maybe answering the same customer questions over and over, or manually scheduling appointments. These are perfect candidates for AI automation because the impact is immediate and measurable. But here's the part most people miss. Successful AI implementation requires an omni-channel approach. Your customers reach out through email, social media, text messages, and chat platforms. Your AI solutions need to work seamlessly across all these channels, so customers get consistent service no matter how they contact you. Smart businesses leverage cloud-based AI platforms from major tech companies. This means you can tap into incredibly powerful AI capabilities without massive upfront investments. You're essentially renting artificial intelligence that would have cost millions to develop in-house, and you only pay for what you use. The key is human-in-the-loop implementation. Your AI handles routine tasks brilliantly, but it's smart enough to escalate complex or sensitive issues to human team members. This ensures quality while maximizing efficiency. Overcoming the obstacles. Let's address the elephant in the room, because I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but what about the challenges? Every business owner has concerns about cost, complexity, and change management, and these are valid concerns that need real solutions. The cost concern is usually the first barrier. Yes, AI systems can require significant upfront investment, but most businesses see positive ROI within months. The key is starting with cloud-based solutions that offer free tiers or affordable pilot programs. You can prove the value before making major investments. Data integration is another common challenge. Your new AI tools need to work with your existing systems. The solution is starting simple. Connect AI to one core system first, prove the concept, then expand gradually. But here's the challenge that surprises most business owners: employee resistance. Your team might worry that AI will replace them. Counter this by emphasizing augmentation over replacement. Show your employees how AI will eliminate the boring, repetitive parts of their jobs and free them up for more creative, relationship-focused work. The businesses that succeed with AI implementation focus relentlessly on measuring results. They track response times, conversion rates, cost savings, and customer satisfaction scores. This data proves the value of AI investment and guides future expansion. The future is now. Here's what's coming next, and this will determine which businesses thrive and which get left behind. We're not talking about some distant future. We're talking about changes happening right now that are reshaping entire industries. Hyperautomation is the next frontier, combining AI with robotic process automation to reimagine entire business processes. Advanced natural language processing means AI conversations will become indistinguishable from human interactions. The businesses that start experimenting with these technologies today will have insurmountable advantages tomorrow. But here's the most important insight. The vast majority of companies now consider AI a top strategic priority. This isn't a trend or a fad. This is the new foundation of competitive business. The question isn't whether your business will use AI automation. It's whether you'll be an early adopter who gains market share or a late adopter who struggles to catch up. The future belongs to businesses that combine human creativity with AI's tireless capabilities. While your competitors are still manually answering emails and processing paperwork, you could be providing 24/7 customer service, personalizing every customer interaction, and scaling your operations without scaling your overhead. If you found these strategies valuable, make sure to subscribe for more insights on building smarter, more efficient businesses. In the comments below, let me know which AI automation strategy you're most excited to implement in your business. The tools are available, the strategies are proven, and the time is now. Your 24/7 business transformation starts with your next decision. The question is, will you be ahead of the curve or trying to catch up? The choice is yours, but the opportunity won't wait forever.